Hi friends, welcome to Simplify Maths. Today we are going to learn Rational Numbers, Chapter 1, Exercise 1.2 for Class 8 NCERT book. First question, represent these numbers on the number line. First subdivision, 7 by 4. What we are going to do here is, we are going to plot these fractional numbers in the number line. It's always easy to plot 0, 1, 2, 3 in the number line. But how to plot the fractional numbers? It's very easy. First, we need to see whether the given fraction is a proper fraction or improper fraction. Proper fraction means the numerator is lesser than the denominator. Improper fraction is the numerator is greater than the denominator. Here, the given fraction is an improper fraction. So, 7 by 4. What is the value of the 7 by 4? If we find the decimals, it is 1.75. So, it's very easy to find where it falls. See, it is greater than 1.75 but lesser than 2. So, 7 by 4 is less than 2 but 1 is less than 7 by 4. Now, we can easily tell if it is 0 and this is 1. We can have our 2 here. For simply I am doing like this. 1, 2. Okay. Between these 1 and 2 only, this 7 by 4 lies. Okay. We are going to plot 7 by 4 in between these two. So for that, what we are going to do is, we need to see the denominator. Denominator is 4. See, this denominator is 4. So we have to divide this 1 and 2 as 4 equal parts. How to divide? 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is 4. Okay. Take the first number and the second number, 1 and 2. So what we should do is 1 into 4 by 4. Do like that. That's all. 2 into 4 by 4. 1 into 4 is 4 by 4. 1 into 4 is 4 divided by 4. 2 into 4 is 8 divided by 4. Now you can give the other numbers in between these two, 4 by 4. Right side means increasing order, correct? So this is 5 by 4, 6 by 4, 7 by 4. So where is our value 7 by 4? It is here. This is the place 7 by 4 belongs in between 1 and 2. Easy, right? Second subdivision, minus 5 by 6. So minus 5 by 6 value is minus 0.83333. It's a recurring fraction. It will go like this. It belongs to the negative side. So what is the thing? Minus 5 by 6 is less than 0. Always negative means it is less than 0. Minus 1 is less than minus 5 by 6. So its value lies between minus 1 and 0. In the number line, we are going to concentrate only on these places. These are the endpoints. In between this only minus 5 by 6 lies. So what we need to do here? So now we need to see the denominator. Denominator is 6. So we are going to divide this distance as 6 equal parts. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and last one is 6. Now take the denominator 6. This is the number here. Minus 1 into 6 by 6. Here 0 into 6 by 6. Minus 1 into 6 by 6 is minus 6 by 6. This is 0 only. Anything multiplied with 0 is 0. So 0. Now we have to go in this way. How to do? It is in negative side. So it will decrease. Minus 5 by 6. Minus 4 by 6. Minus 3 by 6. Minus 2 by 6. Minus 1 by 6 and this is 0. So our value minus 5 by 6 lies here. So we have plotted minus 5 by 6 between minus 1 and 0. It's very easy. Always look into the denominator and make as much as spots in between the two numbers, this fraction falls. That's all. See, if you are given with any fraction, just find the decimal part. If you know the decimal part, you can easily find the place in between where the given fraction falls. After that, see the denominator. According to this denominator, you can divide the number of pots in between the two extreme numbers where this number falls, where this fraction falls. So after that, you can easily plot your points. That's all. In simple, if you are given with the fraction to find the place where it belongs to, just do one thing, find the decimal value. After that, know the two extremes where exactly the fraction lies. Next, divide the two extremes according to the denominator value of the given fraction. Next thing is, now easily plot your fractional value. That's all. See here, given fraction is minus 5 by 6. We have found the decimal value, right? After this decimal value, we can easily tell what are the left and right side number it has, two extremes. Okay, so minus 1 and 0. So between this only it will fall, the closest number. Between these it will fall. After that, what we did? We have seen this denominator. Divide the two extremes. We divide these two extremes according to the denominator value of the given fraction. So here 6 is our denominator. So according to this, we have divided this portion as 6 equal parts. After that, we have easily plotted our fractional value. So 5 by 6 came here in this question. Just understand the concept, it will help you. Second question, represent minus 2 by 11, minus 5 by 11, minus 9 by 11 on the number line. It's very easy. See, all these things are proper fraction. That means less than 0 value only. Okay, the decimal value for this is minus 0.1. This is minus 0.4, minus 0.8. Like that it will come. So where it belongs to? It correctly belongs to in between. These numbers comes in between. It must be less than 0 and greater than minus 1. So it lies between the entire number. These numbers lies between minus 1 and 0. Correct? So we will have our 0 here and minus 1 here. We need to see the denominator 11. So we are going to make 11 equal parts in between minus 1 and 0. It's very easy, right? Just to multiply this minus 1 with 11 and divide it with 11. Here also 0 into 11 by 11. So this gives us minus 11 by 11. The value here is minus 10 by 11, minus 9 by 11, minus 8 by 11, minus 3 by 11, minus 2 by 11, minus 1 by 11. Now it's very easy to plot our points. See, minus 2 by 11 belongs here. Minus 5 by 11 is here. Minus 9 by 11 is here. So it's very easy to plot these points on the number line if you know the concept. Third question, write 5 rational numbers which are smaller than 2. See, if this is the number line, this is 0, 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2, it will go like that. Now we are going to find the 5 rational numbers which are smaller than 2. So all these are rational numbers only, smaller than 2. Otherwise, we can do like that. This is, here what will come? 3 by 2. That means 1.5 is a rational number. Here 1 is a rational number. Again, the value here is 1 divided by 2. That means 0.5, 0.5 will come in between, no? This one. Here also 0.5. That means minus 1 by 2. So what are the numbers we can take? Minus 1 by 2, comma 0, comma this 1 by 2, comma 1, comma 3 by 2. There are so many rational numbers which are less than 2, but we have taken this as an example. Fourth question, find 10 rational numbers between minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 2. Okay, it's very easy. See, if it is a number line, this is 0, this is 1 and this is minus 1. So this 1 by 2 must be here. Exact half is 1 by 2, 0.5 value. Minus 2 by 5. This belongs to somewhere here, right? Minus 2 by 5. Negative numbers. It must be less than 0 but greater than minus 1. So now we are going to find 10 rational numbers in between these two. For that, what we need to do is find the LCM between two rational numbers and 1 by 2. To make it equal, what we need to do? To make the denominator, what is the LCM? 5 and 2. LCM is 5 into 2 only, right? 10. 5 into 2, which is equal to 10. LCM for 5 and 2 is 10. So let us, shall we make the denominator as 10? So for that, multiply and divide it with 2. Here multiply and divide it with 5. Then only the denominator becomes 10. Equal. Make the denominator equal. That's all. So this gives us minus 4 by 10 and 5 by 10. Now the denominators are equal. See, actually if you make the denominators equal, we need to make those many parts in between two numbers. So now, if this is a number line, okay, suppose this is minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 2. We have made it as minus 4 by 10 and 5 by 10. So what will come? Minus 3 by 10, minus 2 by 10, minus 1 by 10, 0, 1 by 10, 2 by 10, 3 by 10, 4 by 10 and 5 by 10. See, count here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Only 8 rational numbers only we can find if we make the denominator as 10. So now what we need to do is, if it is not enough to make 10 rational numbers, just to multiply it with another number 2 times. So this gives us multiply and divide the numbers by 2. So it will gives us minus 4 by 10 into 2 into 2. Here 5 by 10 into 2 into 2. So this becomes minus 8 by 20 and 10 by 20. I think it is also same number only. We have changed this number and this number as minus 4 by 10, 5 by 10. Now we have changed this number as minus 8 by 20 and 10 by 20. Now this minus 8 by 20, what will come? Minus 7 by 20 in between, minus 6 by 20. It will go like this, no? It will minus 5 by 20, minus 1 by 20, 0, 1 by 20, 2 by 20 and so on, 10 by 20. See, if you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 rational numbers. After that also so many rational numbers, 3 by 20 and so on will come. So using this method, we can find enormous amount of rational numbers in between any two given rational numbers. Fifth question, find 5 rational numbers between 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. We need to see the denominator. If it is different, just to find the LCM. That's all. LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. Okay. So make this as 15. For that, what we need to do? Just to multiply it with the 5. Then only it becomes 15, right? Numerator also 5. Same number we should use. Here, how to make it 15? 5 into 3. So here also into 3. So this becomes 5 2s are 10 divided by 15 and 12 divided by 15. Do you think there will be 5 rational numbers in between these numbers? No, right? Because 10 by 15 is there. In between we need to find 5. Okay, 12 by 15. But see here, 11 by 15, only one number will come. It is not enough for us. So for that, what we need to do? Just to multiply it with 2. We will give a try, that's all. Into 2 into 2. That means here also the denominator will be same. See here, 20 divided by 30 and 24 divided by 30. Do you think this is enough to find 5 rational numbers in between these two rational numbers? See, let's see. 21 by 30, 22 by 30, 23 by 30. This is also not enough. Only 3 numbers we are getting in between these two rational numbers. Now what we need to do? Multiply again it with 2. Okay, it's very easy, right? Again it with 2. So 2 2s are 40. 40 by 60 and 48 by 60. So how many numbers? 40 by 60 and 48 by 60 are the end numbers. In between we are going to find 41 by 60, 42 by 60, 43 by 60, 44 by 60, 45 by 60, 46 by 60, 47 by 60. How many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, more than 5 we can find. So let us take 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. These are the 5 rational numbers between 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. Okay. Minus 3 by 2 and 5 by 3. What is the LCM? Denominators are different. So LCM is, just carefully listen here, 2 into 3 which is equal to 6. So make the denominator 6. For that what we need to do? We need to multiply it with 3. Whatever you are doing, you need to do in the numerator also. Here to make it 6, multiply it with 2 into 2, right? So minus 9 divided by 6 and 10 divided by 6. So we will have minus 9 by 6 and 10 by 6. Let's do this. Minus 8 by 6, minus 7 by 6, minus 6 by 6, minus 5 by 6, minus 4 by 6, and so on, 0 and so on, 1 by 6, 9 by 6. It will come like that. So in between we can take any 5 rational numbers, right? These are all the 5 rational numbers in between minus 3 by 2 and 5 by 3. These are all the rational numbers in between minus 3 by 2 and 5 by 3. You can pick any rational numbers in between these two numbers. You can pick randomly. No need to take it in order. You can take minus 7 by 6. See, minus 7 by 6 and minus 5 by 6. Even 0, 1 by 6, 2 by 6, 3 by 6, like that. Between these two numbers, any number you can take randomly. We are going to find 5 rational numbers between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. So LCM for these two numbers 4 and 2 is 4, bigger number, right? Because it has common factor as 2. So bigger number is the LCM here. To make the denominator 4, the first number is already the denominator is 4. The second fraction is 2. So to make it 4, multiply it with 2. Here also with 2. So it become 1 by 4 and 2 by 4. Do you think in between 5 rational numbers will come? No, right? 1 by 4. Next number is 2 by 4. So no rational numbers. So now what we need to do is multiply it with 2. Shall we give a try? Multiply it with 2. What will come? 2 by 8 and 4 by 8. Here also, see here, 2 by 8. The middle number is 3 by 8. Here also, we are short of 5 rational numbers, right? See, 2 by 8 means middle number will come as 3 by 8 only, 4 by 8. But we need 5 rational numbers in between these two. So for that, what we need to do? We can multiply it with some big number also. Even 3 also we can try. Okay? Otherwise, again 2, like that also we can do. Shall we do it with 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So this is 6 by 24 and 12 by 24. Now let us check. 6 by 24, 7 by 24, 8 by 24, 9 by 24, 10 by 24, 11 by 24, 12 by 24. See, exactly we have 5 rational numbers in between these two numbers. So we can do like that. Into 3, in any way, into 4 also you can do, into 5. I think in your book they have multiplied it with 4. Same thing. If we multiply it with 4, what will come? 4 by 8. Okay. Let us do with the 4 into 4 into 4. So here also into 4 into 4. 8 by 32 and 16 by 32. So what will come? 9 by 32, 10 by 32, 11 by 32 and so on, 14 by 32, 15 by 32. So here more number of rational numbers will come in between these two numbers. So you can pick any rational numbers, like this also you can pick, or like this also you can pick. The thing is, if you simplify it, you will ultimately come up with this only. See, for example, I will take this 8 by 32. So what is the common factor between these two? 8, right? If you cancel it with 8, this is 1 time 8 is 8, 4 time 8 is 34. So what this is 1 by 4. Here also 16 by 32. What is the common factor in between these two? 16 is the common factor. So many common factors. We can do it with 16. 16 ones are 16, 16 twos are 32. So 1 by 2. This is ultimately the same number. Okay. Just we are multiplying and dividing it with the same number. The value of this number won't affect. Sixth question. Write 5 rational numbers greater than minus 2. Greater than minus 2. It's very easy. If it is the number line, this is minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 and so on. Greater than means this side. So it's very easy. Greater than minus 2 numbers are minus 1 we can take. Even here minus 1 by 2 we can take. 0 is the number greater than minus 2 and 1 by 2. Here minus 1 by 2 we have taken, right? Here 1 by 2, comma, even 1 is the rational number greater than minus 2. 1 by 2, 3 by 2, so many numbers we can write and so on, etc. So find 10 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 3 by 4. So what is the LCM between 5 and 4? Gives us 20, correct? To make the denominator 20, we need to multiply it with 4 and divide it with 4, the first number, first fraction. Here multiply it with 5 and divide it with 5, that's all. So this gives us 12 divided by 20 and 15 divided by 20. But see, look into the fractions. Is there any possibilities to get 10 rational numbers in between these two fractions? No, right? Because 12 by 20 is next 13 by 20, 14 by 20. It is not enough for us. So what we are going to do is multiply this again with 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. You can use 2 also. Check 1 by 1. So this gives us, this implies 36 by 60 and 45 by 60. Here also we are short of one rational number. See, this is 36, this is 45. So in between only 9 rational numbers only we have. So this is also not possible. So what we are going to do is multiply it with 2 again. Into 2 into 2. Any number you can use 2 or make it as a small number, then only we will get easily. 36 into 2 is 72 divided by 120 and 90 divided by 120. See here 72. 72 to 82. 82 to 90. So 18 numbers, 18 rational numbers in between these two rational numbers. Yeah, right, of course. 72 by 120 and 90 by 120. So how many denominators are same? So numerator 73 by 120, 74 by 120, 75 by 120, 76 by 120 and so on. 80 by 120, 81 by 120 and so on, 89 by 120. Finally, it will come into 90 by 120. So here we can find 18 rational numbers in between these two numbers. So 18 rational numbers. You can choose any 10 rational numbers in between these two things. We can take 73 by 120, 75 by 120. Randomly I am picking. You can pick whatever numbers you like. That's all. 84 by 120. 87 by 120, 88 by 120, 89 by 120. So we can pick 10 rational numbers in between these two numbers. See, this number is nothing but the same number what we have taken. If you simplify these two numbers, we will get the same number 3 by 5. For example, see, if you simplify 72 by 120, what will come? We can take 4 as a common factor. 1 times 4 is 4, 8 times. Here 30. Again using 3 we can do 6 times, 10 times. Using 2 we can divide. How many times? 3 times, 5 times, which is equal to 3 by 5. So if you simplify these numbers, you will get into the same number which we have got in the question. So hope you understand the concept of finding rational numbers between any two rational numbers. I will meet you in my next video, Linear Equations in One Variable, Chapter 2. Thank you.